students, how are you today? Good? Okay. So, welcome to your science class and we are learning about chapter number 3. What we have learned? Different types of animals and food chain. How many types of animals are there? 5 types. Which are they? Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and parasite. And what we have learned? Food chain. So now today we will learn about some more creatures. But before that we will do the reading work.
Now on page number 44, creatures. Our world is full of many other creatures. There are insects and other crawling animals. Let us study about them. Insects have 3 parts of the body and 3 pair of legs. They can fly and eat any kind of food. Some of the common structural features of insect are given below. The body of an insect is divided into 3 main parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Now on page number 45, head bears a pair of eyes, a pair of antennae and the mouth. Thorax is the middle part of the body. It bears 3 pair of legs. This part also have 2 pairs of wings. Abdomen is the lower part of the body. The whole body of an insect is covered with tiny sensory hair. Let us study about some of the insects.
Now in our world there are so many creatures like insects and some crawlings also. Okay, so we will learn about insects today. So what are insects? Insects, they have, their body is divided into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Their body. This is a diagram of an insect. Its body is divided into 3 parts. First, second and third. This part is called as first part. ये वाला जो part है first part है. This is the second part and this is third part. For first part में उसके antennas होते हैं, eyes होती है और head होता है, mouth. ठीक है? So what does the first part consist of? Eyes, head and antennas. What it consists of? Eyes, head and antenna. Now the second part, that is the middle part. It has 3 pairs of legs. It has 3 pairs of legs. All the insects have 3 pairs. 3 pairs, which is in the middle part. This is first, second and third. Can you see this? First, second and 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pairs. How many pairs of legs they have? 3 pairs. And human beings have how many legs? We have 1 pair of legs. Only we have 2 legs now. They have 3 pairs. And this middle part is called as thorax. What it is called? Thorax. This part is called as thorax. Okay, and the lower part, it is the abdomen. What it is? The abdomen, where the food is stored. Also, the thorax consists of wings. What it consists of? Wings. तो thorax में क्या क्या होता है? 3 pairs of legs and wings. What does thorax has? 3 pairs of legs and wings. What does the head consist of? Antenna, eyes and mouth. What does head consist of? Antenna, eyes and mouth. And which is the lower part? What does it consist of? It is the abdomen. Usually all the general insects, they have this kind of a body feature. Okay? And the whole body is covered with a small, very small tiny hairs. They are very sensory tiny hairs. It is for the sensation. Yes, so it is covered with tiny sensory hairs. Now let us learn about the different insects. Okay, but first read about it.
Butterfly. Butterfly have two pairs of bright and colored wings, two antennae and six legs. They are commonly found in fields, garden and forests. They feed on the nectar of flowers. Grasshopper. Grasshopper come in groups and attack the food crops and the leaves of plants. They destroy and damage crops. Mosquito. Female mosquito feed on blood of animals or humans. Mosquito breeds in water collected in pits and open container. They causes disease like malaria, dengue fever and chikungunya. Cockroaches. Cockroaches usually come out in night. They feed on anything available like human food, leather, etc. They spread disease like cholera and dysentery.
Now we have read about butterfly. So can you see the picture of a butterfly? Yes. So what is butterfly? It is a very colorful insect. Butterfly is the most colorful insect. What does body of a butterfly consist of? Two antennas, then two beautiful wings that are colorful wings. Then how many legs it has? Three pairs. So how many it will be? Six legs. How many legs? Six legs. And where do you usually find butterflies? In the garden, forest, in the field also. And what does it feed on? It feeds on the nectars of the flower. What does it feed on? The nectar of the flower. जो flower होते हैं ना, तो उसमें छोटे छोटे nectars होते हैं. That is the you can see the juice of the flower. So it feeds on that. Okay. So that is about the butterfly. Now grasshopper. As before this, we have learned about grasshopper. Yes, in the food chain, I have told you about locusts. That is also a kind of a grasshopper. Yes. So grasshoppers, they usually travel or they are usually found in a group. And it is not a small group, it is a very large group, a very huge group. Okay. And they eat the plants, leaves, crops, and when they attack the field or the crops, they destroy it completely, they destroy the field or the crops completely. If they are sitting on the tree, they will eat up all the leaves. And they are not in a small groups, they are in a very big group. Okay? So, and they travel in a group only. Now, other insect is a mosquito. You know mosquito, they bite us, na? So we feel when the mosquito bite, what we do? We eat. We feel like so eating. Why? Because they suck the blood. Usually the female mosquito. They feed on the human blood. Okay? They feed on the human blood. And you remember, especially in this season, rainy seasons, there are small waters collected everywhere. Now, what we call pits. In rain, so there are small waters collected everywhere. So they stay in that, and the containers, some of its containers are open up and it is not closed, like the water pot or the water tanks, big tanks. Now they are not covered, so they stay in that water. And they causes diseases. Which disease is caused by mosquito? Biting of a mosquito? Malaria, then dengue, chikungunya. These are all caused by what? Mosquitoes. Okay, so we should keep everything covered. Okay, and our surrounding clean so that the mosquito doesn't come. And there should be no water stored open. Okay, and even if you are nearby, make it sure there is no water stored over there. Now we are going to learn about the cockroaches. You have seen cockroaches. So you have seen cockroaches. Yes, they come when you switch off the light. That is in the night. And what they do, so if there is any food left inside the kitchen, they will go and eat that. What they do, they feed on the food which is left by us, okay, or they on the leather, and this spread disease like cholera and dysentery. Which disease they spread? Cholera and dysentery. Okay, so we should keep our kitchen clean before sleeping. We should cover the food after this remaining. We should keep inside the fridge. Okay, now we are going to learn about the bees. Have you seen
Bees. Bees live in a beehive. A single beehive has thousands of bees. It has one queen bee who lay eggs. Male bees are also known as drone, as they help to produce more bee. Worker bees go out to collect nectar from flower. Ants. They live in group or colonies. In each colony, there is one queen ant who lay eggs. The other ants are soldier ants who go out in search of food. During the summer season, the soldier ants work very hard and store food for the winter season. It feeds on most of the eatables such as rice, wheat, syrup and honey. So now let us understand this.
Now we are going to learn about bees. Have you seen bee anytime? Madhumakhi. Yes. So honey bees are also called as Madhumakhi. Where they live in the honey comb. क्या कहते हैं उसे? मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. आप लोगों ने देखा है कभी? Anybody has seen sometime? Yes. So they live in it. And in a one honeycomb, there are more than thousands of bees. कितनी होती है? More than 1,000 bees. And in सबकी एक रानी होती है. There is a one queen bee. Only one queen bee can stay in one honeycomb. एक honeycomb में एक ही queen bee होती है. बहुत सारी नहीं. And what she does? She produces eggs. What she does? Produces egg. और कौन होता है उसमें? Drone. Drone are क्या? They are also male bee. जो मेल्स होते हैं ना, फीमेल जो होती है वो क्वीन होती है. जो मेल होते हैं, वन फीमेल क्वीन होती है. फिर होते हैं मेल बीज. दे आर ड्रॉन. व्हाट द यूज ऑफ ड्रॉन? क्या करते हैं? दे हेल्प इन प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर एग्स. दे हेल्प द क्वीन इन प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर एग्स. देन दे आर वर्कर बीज. व्हाट डज वर्कर बी डू? वो सारे बाहर जाती है, फ्लावर्स के नेक्टर लेकर आती है. आउट ऑफ दैट दे हेल्प इन प्रोड्यूसिंग honey. So honey and wax, what we get it from the honeycomb. Yes, na? So it helps in producing honey, and they collect the nectar from the flower. Now we will learn about ants. As we have learned in the bee, bee कैसे group में रहता है ना? In a one group, so they also lives. Ants also lives in a group. And the group, or it is in a colonies. What it is called as colonies. Ants के groups जो वहाँ रहते हैं, जो रहते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? Colonies. Okay? एक कॉलोनी में सेम लाइक इन हनी बी, honeycomb, एक honeycomb में कितनी queen honey होती है? One. तो सेम में in a one colony there is one. Same like in one colony there is one queen ant. There is one queen ant. Okay, and it produces eggs. Okay, and there are worker ants. There are worker ants. उसे क्या कहते हैं? Soldiers. उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Soldiers. Now what's the work of soldier? बाहर जाते हैं और खाना इकट्ठा करके लेकर आते हैं. And then they all together have the food together. And what they do? They all have food together. Now what? Usually in summers, जब summers होती है, तो they work very hard. Why? So that winters जब आते हैं वो लोग नहीं ठंड बर्दाश्त कर सकते ना, तो they stays in their colonies, in their house. They don't go out in the winter season if it is very cold. So usually they work in summer. They collect the food for the winter what they feed on? Yes, whatever the things is available in nearby, anything food, rice, grain, dal, sugar, any sweet, especially the sweets. अगर अपने घर में कहीं पर भी कुछ भी छोटा सा sweet गिरा, you will find so many of ants coming over there. Yes, na? Usually in summer, have you noticed where it goes and how it goes? Do it eat that time only? No, na? So if you see an ant next time, do watch it carefully how it works. Okay? They collect the food, they carry it on their back, and then they move in a group. Okay? And we have learned about the sense organ of ant. Yes, they have very strong sense organ. Yes, so that they don't forget their way and they can go back home. So this is all about the ants. Now we will do bookwork.
Now on page number 46, we will do practice zone. That is question number 1. Name any 2 insects which are found near plants. Which insects are found? Butterfly and grasshopper. Which 2 insects are found near plant? Grasshopper and butterfly. So this question you will do in the book. You won't do the second question. Okay.